विदेश मामलों के विशेषज्ञ रोविंदर सचदेव कहते हैं, पाकिस्तानी खुफिया और सैन्य तंत्र में चीन का पर्याप्त या कुछ प्रभाव है और चीन की शह पर इसमें से कुछ अधिकारियों ने भारत पर छोटे मोटे हमले भी जारी रखे हैं ताकि शायद आपसी समझ को बिगाड़ा जा सके। यह गाजियों और कट्टर जिहादियों के हित में नहीं है कि यह युद्ध बंद हो। यह चीन के हित में नहीं है और इससे उसे फायदा भी है, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान भारत संघर्ष जितना जारी रहेगा उतना ही भारत को इसमें शामिल किया जाएगा। इसलिए बहुत कुछ हो सकता है।
If the Pakistan-India conflict continues, because the more it continues, the more it draws in India. So there could be some such elements who would have had continued some sporadic incidents, but overall, with time, I think in the last 24 hours or 36 hours, there is now a pause in any incidents across the border.
Also, sir, while the migrate and the Indian military shows the debris of likely PL-15 air-to-air missile, which is of Chinese origin and was used by Pakistan during the attack on India. The baggage of the Chinese origin YIHA and Sonugar drones that were shot down by India has also been shown.
No, certainly, these are the spoils, or you can say the treasures of war. Once we get these, wreckages or pieces that we recover, we can get to reverse engineer and very well understand the Chinese technology which goes into the weapons that had been used by the Pakistanis. Similarly, the Turkish Songar drones and other drones. So I would think, and every right-thinking person would think, that this is a treasure trove of information. Now we can re-engineer and find out better as to what electronics, jammers, and what all engineering is there in the Chinese drones or missiles which Pakistan had used. And in fact, this would be helpful to us in a situation in future with China. So this is gold for us.